AI isn't coming in the future, it is already here, changing the way we spend money, stay healthy, and even shop online. And what is wild is, this year, you're going to start noticing AI literally everywhere, sometimes without even realizing it. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the top 3 AI use cases you will see everywhere this year in finance, healthcare, and marketing. So stick around because by the end of this video, you will start recognizing AI in cases you never thought about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been hearing a lot about AI, but you are wondering, okay, but how is it actually affecting you right now? Then you're in the right place. Let us dive in. And since money always gets our attention, let us start with finance first. Now think about this. Every time you swipe your card, apply for a loan, or even check your banking app, there's a good chance AI is working behind the scenes. So in fraud detection, I've gotten a text saying, what is you after a suspicious transaction? That is AI at work. It is like having a digital detective that scans billions of transactions in real time, spotting anything unusual in seconds, way faster than any human team could do. And it doesn't stop there. Like, have you noticed how some banking apps now nudge you? Hey, maybe cut down on takeout this month. Here's a way to save more money. So that is AI analyzing your spending habits and basically giving you a personal finance coach in your pocket. And for investors, AI is playing a massive role in trading. Hedge funds and even regular folks are leaning on AI models that crunch crazy amounts of data, stock prices, news headlines, even social media trends to make smarter trades at lightning speed. So the next time your bank blocks a shady transaction or your app gives you money-saving advice, yeah, that is AI making your financial life a little safer and smart. But hey, money is one thing. Let us talk about something even more important, that is our health, because this is where AI could literally save lives. Okay, alright. So picture this, you go in for a checkup and before the doctor even takes a second look at your scan, AI has already flagged a tiny abnormality that could have been missed. That is not science fiction, it is happening right now in our real world. So AI systems are trained on millions of X-rays, MRIs and scans, and they can catch diseases at earlier stages than ever before. That means doctors can start treatment sooner and patients have a much better chance at recovery. And here's another game changer. Normally, finding a new drug takes years, sometimes even decades, but AI model how different subparts might work in the body, like cutting down on research time dramatically. And it is one of the reasons we saw COVID-19 vaccines being developed so quickly, right? So apart from this, like you will see AI working in virtual health assistants, like and with telemedicine on the rise, AI chatbots are stepping in as the first line of support, answering simple medical questions, helping doctors prioritize urgent cases, and guiding patients through basic checkups. Isn't that cool? Like it's really useful as well as really cool, which is already happening in the real world. So instead of waiting until something goes wrong, AI is helping healthcare shift toward prevention and early action. So pretty amazing, right? Now, finance and healthcare might sound serious, but let us move to something a little closer to our daily lives. Shopping, ads, and everything we see online, this is where AI in marketing is quietly pulling the strings. So let us be honest, we have all had that creepy moment where we see an ad and think, wait, like how did they know I wanted that? So it's AI working behind the curtain for you. AI looks at your browsing history, what you have liked on social media, even the time of day you are most active, and then boom, it delivers ads or product recommendations that feel tailor-made just for you. And here's the cool part. Companies are using AI to generate product descriptions, social media posts, even ad scripts at scale, and it doesn't mean humans are above the picture. It just means marketers can test way more ideas way faster to see what actually clicks or what doesn't, right? Finally, AI helps companies understand us better. So instead of guessing what customers want, AI analyzes our reviews, our buying patterns, and feedback to predict what people are most likely to buy next. So yeah, if an ad feels like it's reading your mind, don't worry, it is just AI doing its homework. So the bottom line, AI isn't just a buzzword by now. It is actually becoming a part of our everyday lives, often without us even noticing it. The big question is like, are you ready to make the most out of it? And if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve, of the AI curve, hit that like button and share this video with a friend who would love to know where the AI is headed. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be diving deeper into real AI tools you can start using today. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.